Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing a twisted wig from Braid Queens. What is the link? I don't remember the link, but I will put it in the description box. It's an ombre twisted wig from Braid Queens, and right now all I'm doing is brushing and putting on the stocking cap. And I really don't need to be there super secure because I take my weaves off. But I didn't want my braids showing through. Because the stocking cap got a running and stuff already, you guys. And I didn't have a reason to be rushing. I was rushing because I woke up on time. But I laid in the bed and watched YouTube videos and paid some bills, knowing dang on well I had a pedicure appointment at 9:30. So I was rushing and really doing stuff sloppily. Next time I get one of their wigs, I'm gonna do a better review on it. And this is not a sponsored video. I paid for this with my own dollar bills, y'all. I'm just putting some foundation or concealer on the cap. And it came with 3 clips, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, an elastic band. And the laces are pretty nice color, and it was pre-plucked, which I didn't have to pluck anything. Obviously, it's a braided wig. And the cap, it fits perfect. I'm not going to do with all the glue and stuff. I'm just going to do the Gotta Be Freeze Blast. Cool air from the blow dryer. Another layer. Put that elastic band around my neck so it was easy for me to put it over that lace. And look, it got a bunch of baby hairs right now, but I sure did massacre one of those sides. I cut too much lace off. You guys will see that too. Okay, I went and got dressed, came back. And y'all remember when I didn't put that stocking cap all the way to the front because I said I don't wear the wig at nighttime anyway. So today I had to suffer where you can see that stocking cap, the line of demarcation. I should have brushed those baby hairs down before I put the elastic band down to melt it. But I was rushing, not doing things in order. I bet I won't do that again. And now I'm trying to push him back when I should have him pushed back in the first place, okay? Rushing. And then when you're doing the videos and you have the ring light on and you're looking at your camera, it's really hard to see what you're doing when you're looking at the camera and that light is in your eyes. So what I should have done, okay, here I go. This is where I must have. Look at all the baby hair I'm cutting off right there. Look at that. Then I'm really going to go in and do it all over again. But you can't even see that when you're with that ring light in your face. I'm trying to be careful not to cut my dang on face. Look, see, I just said, ooh. Girl. Girl. Okay, right there, you guys, is where I cut too much lace off along with the baby hairs. And y'all, I was still trying to make it work. You know, I had a little bit over on that side to, you know, to do a little maneuvering and finessing and stuff. But yeah, and then I also see where I should not have put the stocking cap on. Well, I should have. I just, excuse me, asthma's acting up. I should have pulled it up further because you can see that little line of demarcation. But that very next day, I went in and I I fixed it. Even with me cutting too much lace off on that one side, on the other parts, you know, where the baby hair is, I could still see the lace. It was like, And I was just, that day, I was just rushing and struggled with the baby hairs, struggled with the stocking cap. Had I not been rushing, it would have been okay. Lesson number 1, don't rush the install. Because you always end up jacking, not always, but it don't come out like it. Okay guys, I have to finish this off camera because I'm running late. It's like 9 o'clock and I have a 9:30 appointment. And this hair is from Braid Queen. I ordered it. Customer service was excellent. Look at this, you guys, look. Y'all, I cut some of the baby hair out, don't judge. I think y'all saw me do it on camera. But y'all know how many inches this is, but it's twisted. You guys can see it's twisted. Okay. Braid Queen, excellent price. Look at that. Easy install. And I'll be back to tell you more about this wig. Or should I just tell you now? Because I gotta run out this house. Or I'll tell you what I'm driving to the nail place. Okay, anyway, Braid Queen is their twisted braid. The light brown ombre color. Yeah, it's just I love it. I love it. And I'm sorry I didn't take more time doing this because I laid in the bed, you guys. So I laid in the bed and got on my computer. But yeah. Isn't it cute? I could put it in so many, I could do it like this. I don't think I'll be putting it in an up bun. Nah, I won't be doing that. But you can't do half up, half down, that'll look better. Put it in a few styles, you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm at the nail salon. And of course my daughter-in-law is doing my toes. I got the, what pedicure did I get? The
Spring citrus.
I got the spring citrus pedicure, and it comes with all kind of scrubbing and orange slices, child, and the hot stones and a good massage. I forgot to vlog when I was getting it done. I was just so relaxed, you guys. Yep. And once again, I'm just getting neutral colors. Neutral colors, you guys. That's why when I was vlogging and I was doing this hair, I was kind of rushing, but it's my fault because I was woke at 7 something, or 7:30, and then I just laid in the bed watching YouTube videos and paying some bills online and stuff like that. So the next wig I get from Braid Queens, I will most definitely give a better review, but I like it. Oh, well, I can see my stocking cap right here. I might take that stocking cap off. Yeah, I might take the stocking cap off. Or add more makeup, huh? Yeah, but it's cute. I love it. And this wig, it fits my head perfectly. I can't remember if the wigs come in small, medium, or large. But whatever size this is, it fits perfectly. I have like a busy day, you guys. My grandson is having his birthday party. All my grandsons are born in February, March, and April. This week is my grandson's and next week is my granddaughter's. So yeah, I have a birthday party to go to. I have to pick up 2 of my grandkids to go to the birthday party. And then I have to rush back home. I'm gonna leave them there and do a wig install at 3:45. So my day is gonna be pretty busy. My husband wants to go have sushi. Oh, I'm sorry. My husband wants to go have sushi later, but I don't know about that. But anyway, y'all, I will be back. Okay guys, I'm at the office, and this morning I went in and I cut more of the lace off and was able to lay the baby hairs down, not extreme but enough. Yeah, and it looks better than it did yesterday. Let's make it right there. But yeah, much better. Even though I did cut off way too much lace over here. But I cannot whispering because I'm at the office, okay? I do income taxes and income tax season. So that being said, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. And you know the deal. As usual, stay blessed.